Hi, how are you? Welcome to the chapter 4 of my writing course. So guys, this is problem solution essay. So I would say it is actually an easiest essay. Actually, seriously, you will get to know this. Problem solution essay is the one in which the examiner is asking you to tell the problems associated with a particular trend along with the solutions to the same problems. So guys, whenever you are stating solutions, please state the solution to the problems mentioned in body paragraph 1. Then only your essay will be perfect. I'll explain how. So guys, in problem solution essay, how to identify, how are you going to identify whether a particular question is a problem solution question or some other question? So if you get questions like such, what are the reasons associated with this trend and how can it be solved? So reasons associated with this trend. So problem, solution, problems associated with this trend, reasons associated with this trend and how can it be solved? Next, what are the causes and solutions? So every question starts with the statement followed by the main question. So these are the main questions. What are the causes and the solutions? What are the causes and solutions? Next, what are the factors leading to this and discuss its repercussions as well. So what are the factors leading to this and discuss its repercussions as well. Now repercussions is effects. You need to understand its meaning. Factors leading to this. So factors causing this problem. Let's say we have a problem and the problem is obesity. So what are the factors attributing to obesity? Okay. So what are the factors attributing to obesity or leading to obesity? And discuss its repercussions. So now we have obesity. So what are the effects of obesity? What are the effects? Obesity to hai. Now what are the effects of obesity? Okay. Next, what are the problems associated with this and how can it be solved? So earlier it was reasons, now what are the problems associated with this and how can it be solved? So guys, this is the way. If you get either of these 4 types of questions, you will realize it is a problem solution essay. It is clearly a problem solution essay. Okay, let's proceed further. So we have this question here. Demand for food is increasing worldwide. Demand for food is increasing worldwide. So people are demanding more food and this demand is increasing across the globe. What is the cause of this? So that means why is the demand increasing? Why is the demand for food increasing? What measures can the international community as well as the government take to meet this demand? So first of all, what is the cause of this demand? Why is this demand increasing? Secondly, what measures can the international community, it means foreign community, foreign countries as well as the government take to meet this demand? So this is the question and I believe many of you have already understood the question as it is not that difficult. Okay. Now we'll discuss how to plan this. So for planning, I always suggest each student of mine to prepare a question for body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2. Whenever the question has 2 parts. So we have this statement. First of all, what do we have? We have this statement. This is the statement which we are going to paraphrase. So every question has a statement like such. This is the first question. Question 1 and this is the second question, question 2. So what is the cause of this? What measures can the international community as well as the government take to meet this demand? So in first body paragraph, we'll be answering our first question and that is what is the cause of this. So that means why demand for food is increasing. You have to do planning in maximum of 5 to 6 minutes. You can take even 7, but I would suggest 5 to 6 minutes are more than enough. Anyways, if you are going to take more, do the paraphrasing in that itself. Okay, so why demand for food is increasing? First reason, overpopulation, and the major reason, because the population is increasing, demand is also increasing. Second reason, wastage of food. Wastage of food. People are wasting more. Why? When? During the buffet lunches and dinners, during events, marriages. So people are wasting the food. So these are the 2 reasons associated with this trend. So why demand for food is increasing across the globe? Now second question is, what measures can the international community as well as the government take to meet this demand? So what measures can they take? How countries across the world can meet this demand? So how can they help? How can they be helpful? So they can be helpful by, I would say, providing new technologies. So latest machineries they can provide, subsidies for farmers that can be done by the government, low interest rates on loan. So government can help the farmers by providing them low interest rates on loan. They can provide subsidies for the farmers on various utility bills, and latest machineries can be equipped by the provided by the international or the foreign community. So for international community we can use foreign community. Okay. Now topic based vocabulary. I always insist every student of mine to focus on topic based vocabulary, and I'll insist you the same. So we should have words for the important, we have the content words in the essay, so we should have synonyms for those content words. And the first word here is demand, need or requirement, food, eatables, consumables, edible items, increasing, escalating, inclining, rising, soaring, augmenting and proliferating, that is increasing. Meet, fulfill or accomplish, so this demand can be accomplished, this demand can be fulfilled, this demand can be, okay, so we can use fulfilled, accomplished, completed or met. International, foreign, global or overseas, foreign community, international, global, overseas. Machineries के लिए we can use equipment or tools. Guys, equipments is not a word, so please note this down. Equipment is an uncountable noun. We cannot use equipments. It is only equipment. Take care of this. That's all. I'll meet you in the second chapter. Thank you. Bye-bye.